I don't know if it's working. Let's see. Hi, hello.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you.
Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Christiana, and if you're just coming by my channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure you share my video. So in this video I'll be showing you, I got a lapel mic from Jumia. I've been doing a lot of videos without a lapel mic, and if you go back to most of my videos you will see that there are a lot of background noises there. So I got a lapel mic, and I'll be unboxing it in this video. First off, I'm going to show you how I ordered my lapel mic from Jumia. I think they are currently on their Black Friday, I think, promo. So I ordered my lapel mic. So I'll be unboxing the lapel mic on this video and testing it if it's going to work on my mobile device, because I'm using my mobile phone to film right now. Let's jump right to unboxing it, and I'll be dropping the link to order yours. If you, in case you need to order your own, I'll be dropping a link where you can order your own product. So let's check it out. Okay guys, welcome back. This is the product. As you can see, I am yet to unbox it. This is how it's coming from Jumia, just this way, still sealed and all that. I think it came in I ordered this few days back, and I was expecting it. I was told it's going to take like 6 to 7 days, but I guess it's 4 days now, and my product is here with me. I was even surprised when I got the email that my product is ready for pickup. So we're going to unbox this lapel mic right now, and we're going to test it with my phone. So let's unbox it. As you can see, it's still sealed, still very sealed. It came with the other. Let me see how I'm going to do this. So we are done opening it, and okay. This is the first time I'm opening it. This is me opening it for the first time, so I don't even know what I'm going to expect. So this is the sales invoice. You're going to get a sales invoice. Okay, then this is the lapel mic. It's wrapped in this thing that I love playing with. So let's get it open. That is, wow, did it do it this way? Okay, dropping this now. And look at the packaging. I love this packaging so well. I love how it's looking. It has an instruction. I don't know if you can see it. An instruction here saying ensure your laptop microphone is on by going to the sound control panel and ticking it. And please note this item has been tested and working. Note that different jack heads work with different products. For your phone, use directly or with extension only. If not working, then it is your phone jack socket. Okay, it's your phone jack socket that is damaged, not the mic. I hope there is a return policy. I hope this works for me, because it said it has been tested. So this is what is coming out from here, and we're gonna open this one. I think this is the manual that shows how to use your lapel mic. And let's bring this out. This, okay, let me drop this. Now we have this. I think this is for your laptop this is the extension for laptop. If you're connecting your lapel mic to a laptop, this is the extension. And we have more. I don't even understand this, but let's see how it's going. Yeah, oh my god, it is so long. Look at it, so long. This is one. And okay, I guess that's this is the extension and this is the mic itself. So okay, this is the lapel mic itself. Look at, oh my god, it's so beautiful. Let me hold it this way. And it came with a clip. It came with a clip. You're going to clip this on your clothes. Okay, let me do it this way. See that? Clip it with your clothes. Then this is the lapel mic itself. This is how long the mic is, the wire is. So if I am connecting with a laptop, if I'm connecting my lapel mic with a laptop, I'm just going to fix this here. Voila, I can now connect this with my laptop, but since I'm using a mobile phone for now, so we don't need this for now. And drop it. And yeah, so this is how long the mic is. And if it's not enough, maybe you're staying far away from your phone, you can also connect this to the extension. Whoa, so we have got this long, this long, so you can see how long it actually is. So you see this long. So I think you'll be able to use this with your phone. So let's go over to test this if it's gonna work. First off, let me connect it. It is advised not to put the mic so close to your mouth because of the noises and deep noises. So I'm going to put it somewhere around here. Oh my god, I'm actually putting it the wrong way. So see, it is not so close and not too far. If it's too far, you won't be able to get your voice into the phone, into the mic, sorry. So let's connect this to my phone right now. So guys, it's time to test it. I've not inserted my microphone yet, though I fixed it here. I've not inserted it. So this is my voice before the mic, before I insert this microphone to my phone, and let's see the difference. So I'm going to insert this and see if it's actually going to work. And this is me with the mic on. I have fixed the mic to my phone, so I don't know how will I check if this is working. Hello, testing 1 2. Can you hear that? I'm going to replay this video and check if it actually worked, so I don't just continue with the video while this is not working. So let me check if it actually worked. Yeah guys, it actually worked and I am so excited. This is the second lapel mic I'm trying to get. The first one did not work with my phone camera. With open camera, it did not work. So guys, I think there's something I need to let you guys know. If you should insert your microphone to your phone camera, the camera that comes with your phone, if it does not work, you can go to Play Store and download open camera. I'm going to put a picture of the icon here so you can see it. Go to Play Store, download open camera, go to the video settings and turn on the microphone, the external microphone. Then you can use that open camera to shoot your video in case it does not work with the camera that comes with your phone. I hope this video have been so helpful to you. I'm going to drop the link where I got my microphone. I will drop it in the description box so you can go there and shop yours. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please do well to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and you know that notification bell close to the subscribe button, click on that notification bell so whenever I drop a new video, you'll be the first to get notified of my new video. See you till next time. Bye guys.